Welcome to this brief introduction to the RCI SafeCHILD program. This is the main menu. The first button, the Go to Members button, is for inputting child and caregiver information. The In/Out Child or Staff Attendance button takes attendance for the children or staff. The Unregistered Adult Check-In Out button takes attendance when the adult doesn't have an ID card. The Display Children's Attendance button is for displaying children's entry and exit for a given date. The Display Staff Attendance button is for staff member entry and exit. The Find Child button is used for tracking the attendance of a child. The Find Staff button is used for viewing staff log in and log out. The first step in using the RCI SafeCHILD program is to set up the Members module. To do this, press the Go to Members button. This takes you to the Members file and the Members Details screen. This is where the child and adult data are entered. The Member Details screen presents the child's last name, first name, ID number, date of birth, sex, male or female, staff member, yes or no, authority on file, yes or no, group, teacher, adult name, relationship to child, other pertinent information, including creation of barcodes for IDs, list of authorized adults, list of non-authorized adults, a place for the child's picture, a place for the adult's picture. From the Member Details screen, IDs can be produced with the child and the adult pictures. ID cards can be produced for staff members. Lists can be produced for check-in or check-out where an ID card is not present. To return to the main menu, press the SafeCHILD button located in the top left portion of the screen. We are now back at the main menu. We begin taking attendance by pressing the In/Out Child or Staff Attendance button. This brings up a dialog window where the child or adult ID is read as it is scanned or entered. As the IDs are read, the program logs in the arrival time, displays the child's and adult's picture, and also a message indicating the student has checked in and at what time. Subsequently, it displays the pictures, child's name, and departure time as the child is checked out. We can press the View button on the dialog window to view the current attendance. After viewing the list, we press the Continue button to return to taking roll. We press the Quit button on the dialog window to end taking attendance. There may be occasions when an adult is not on the registered list to check the child in or out. On these occasions, press the Unregistered Adult Check-In Out button. This brings up a dialog window where the child's name, the adult's name, and any comments are entered, and then OK is pressed. The program checks the approved and non-approved lists of adults in the Members module. If the adult is on the approved list, a message is displayed that they are on the approved list and the child is checked in or checked out. If the adult is on the non-approved list, a message to that effect is displayed. If the child is being checked in, the program records the child as being checked in and enters a comment that the adult is not on the list to pick up the child. If, however, the child is being checked out, the program displays an alert that the adult is on the non-approved list and the child is not to be checked out. This provides the staff an opportunity to protect the child from an unauthorized release to a non-approved adult. We return to the main menu screen by pressing the Menu button at the top left part of the screen. To see the children in attendance, we press the Display Children's Attendance button. A dialog window appears where we enter or edit the date of the class we want to see. The current date is the default. We press OK to go to the report. We return to the main menu screen by pressing the Menu button at the top left part of the screen. To see staff attendance, we press the Display Staff Attendance button. A dialog window appears where we enter or edit the date we want to see. The current date is the default. We press OK. We return to the main menu screen by pressing the Menu button at the top left part of the screen. We can find a child's attendance by pressing the Find Child button. We then choose the name or ID option on the dialog window. We enter the child's name or ID and the attendance for the child is displayed. Here we select the ID option and press OK. Next, we enter the ID number, press OK, and all of Amy Abbott's attendance is displayed. We press Menu at the top left portion of the screen to return to the main menu screen. We can find a staff member's attendance by pressing the Find Staff button. We then choose the name or ID option on the dialog window. We enter the staff member's name or ID and the attendance for the staff member is displayed.